Other institutional investors and hedge funds have also bought and sold shares of the company. BlackRock Incorporated grew its stake in iShares MSCI Japan ETF by 12.9% in the second quarter. BlackRock Incorporated now owns 25,630,502 shares of the exchange-traded fund stock worth $1,375,076,000 after purchasing an additional 2,935,966 shares during the period. Wells Fargo & Company Minnesota grew its stake in iShares MSCI Japan ETF by 14.0% in the second quarter. Wells Fargo & Company Minnesota now owns 3,355,662 shares of the exchange-traded fund stock worth $180,031,000 after purchasing an additional 411,036 shares during the period. AGF Investments Incorporated grew its stake in iShares MSCI Japan ETF by 31.1% in the second quarter. AGF Investments Incorporated now owns 1,954,618 shares of the exchange-traded fund stock worth $104,911,000 after purchasing an additional 463,471 shares during the period. SG Americas Securities LLC grew its stake in shares of iShares MSCI Japan ETF by 30.5% in the second quarter. SG Americas Securities LLC now owns 1,221,705 shares of the exchange-traded fund stock worth $65,544,000 after acquiring an additional 285,411 shares during the last quarter. Finally, AllianceBernstein LP grew its stake in shares of iShares MSCI Japan ETF by 2,532.0% in the second quarter. AllianceBernstein LP now owns 1,177,898 shares of the exchange-traded fund stock worth $63,194,000 after acquiring an additional 1,133,145 shares during the last quarter. Shares of iShares MSCI Japan ETF EWJ traded up 0.02% on Friday, hitting $55.71. The stock had a trading volume of 6,216,017 shares. iShares MSCI Japan ETF has a 12-month low of $48.79 and a 12-month high of $55.83. The company's 50-day moving average price is $54.71. And its 200-day moving average price is $53.27.